Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and best products on the market. Today, we're reviewing the best Epson Workforce Pro WF 3733 Ink Cartridge Combo Pack, the Epson 702 DURABrite Ultra Ink High Capacity Black and Standard Color Cartridge Combo Pack. If you're an Epson printer owner, especially one with the Workforce Pro WF 3720, WF 3730, or WF 3733 models, then this product is designed just for you. When it comes to ink cartridges, quality, reliability, and performance are key, and the Epson 702 DURABrite Ultra Ink cartridges deliver on all fronts. This combo pack includes both black and color ink cartridges that are perfectly compatible with a variety of Epson printers. With a high-capacity black cartridge, you can expect a significantly higher page yield, making it a great choice for businesses and home offices that need to print large volumes without worrying about running out of ink too soon. One of the standout features of the Epson 702 DURABrite Ultra Ink is its water-resistant, smudge-proof, and fade-resistant properties. This makes it an excellent option for printing documents that need to stand the test of time. Whether you're printing important business contracts or family photos, the ink will stay vibrant and clear. And if you've ever struggled with the frustration of ink that takes too long to dry, you'll appreciate that these high-quality ink cartridges are designed with fast-drying pigment ink. This means less waiting time and less chance of smudging when handling freshly printed documents. Not only does this ink provide sharp, crisp text and brilliant colors, but it also ensures print shop quality results that are hard to beat. With its high-capacity design, the black cartridge can yield up to 1100 pages, and the color cartridges provide a decent page yield as well, ensuring that you get the most out of every cartridge. Epson's printing system is optimized to work exclusively with Epson genuine cartridges, which ensures that your printer continues to run smoothly, without the risk of damage that third-party alternatives might cause. Another reason why this cartridge combo pack is a great investment is the ease of use. Epson's hassle-free installation process means you won't waste time trying to figure out how to set up your new cartridges. Simply replace the old ones and get back to printing without any interruptions. This ink combo is also designed to keep your printer working at its best, giving you a reliable experience every time you print. For those who are mindful of their budget, the Epson 702 DURABrite Ultra Ink cartridges are priced competitively, offering high-quality performance at a reasonable cost. With the added benefit of high capacity, you'll spend less time replacing cartridges and more time printing, making it an ideal solution for users who need efficiency and reliability. In conclusion, the Epson 702 DURABrite Ultra Ink High Capacity Black and Standard Color Cartridge Combo Pack. It is an essential accessory for anyone who owns an Epson Workforce Pro WF 3720, WF 3730, or WF 3733 printer. With its superior ink quality, fast drying formula, and high page yield, it's the best choice for both home and business use. If you're looking for an ink cartridge that offers great value for money while delivering top-notch performance, this is the one to go for. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our in-depth reviews of the latest tech products.